Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Word not responding Windows 11. With Word open the Task Manager from Startup. Select Word and click on End Task. Word will close. Now go to Settings from Startup. You will go to Apps and then Installed Apps. Locate Microsoft Office, click on the three dots and then choose Modify. Click on Yes to access. In this window, leave the Quick Repair checkbox checked. Click on Repair. Again, click on Repair and wait for it to finish. You can see that the repair has been successful. Open Word to validate that it has no errors. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.